हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। ग्रीटिंग्स फ्रॉम ब्रिलिका सर्विसेज। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एक नया डिजाइनिंग सॉफ्टवेयर फिग्मा। सो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ हाईलाइटेड फीचर्स बता देता हूँ फिग्मा के बारे में। वर्क्स ऑन ऑल डिवाइसेस, यूज एनीवेयर। आप कितने भी डिवाइसेस पे अपना जो फिग्मा है एक बार रजिस्टर करके उसे किसी भी डिवाइस पे ओपन कर सकते हो और कहीं से भी ओपन कर सकते हो। यू डोंट नीड एनी ऑफलाइन फाइल। ओके। Second, free for students and individuals. You can also buy professional premium plan also. Third one, smart pen tool for easy drawing. Fourth one, create arcs instantly for making infographics and graphs. You can collaborate with your team also. You can see live designs on your mobile. Design layouts that adjust automatically. You can make responsive websites and apps easily. Use plugins to add extra features. There are many more plugins are available on Figma. Some are premium and some are free. You can use according to your requirement. Keep design consistent with reusable component. You can make component of each object and use it according to your requirement. Repeat as much as you can. Create interactive prototypes for checking easily accessibility. You can share your designs with your team and your clients and get feedback easily. So these are the some highlighted features of Figma. Now let's go to Figma downloads. I shared links in description. Okay, you can use Figma on your desktop, on mobile, your iOS. Also, if you want to install custom fonts, so there is a font installer also available, Mac or OS installer, Windows installer. So you can use as much as you can according to your requirements. You can use it on mobile also, desktop, any screen. That's why it's too user friendly. Okay, let's talk about pricing plans. Okay, there are four pricing plans. First, a starter team, like free plan for students and individuals. Second one for professional team. In free plan, you will get Figma editor, three collaborative design files, unlimited personal drafts, basic file inspection, and unlimited cloud storage. Second one, professional team. Third one, organization, and lastly, enterprise plan. Okay, so without wasting time, we are using only free plan. So let's select it. Okay, this is the interface of Figma. This is a web app you can use according to your requirement. You can use on browser also. You can use offline web app also. It's all depend on yourself according to you. Okay, these are recent files. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to new design file. Let's start it. Okay, this is the interface of your Figma app. It's too simple and attractive. It's minimalistic interactive interface. Okay, let's talking about interface. Firstly, here is your menu bar. You can use according to your properties, according to your preferences, according to your requirement. Okay, there is draft also. If your designs are some your pending, so you can edit according to your time requirement. Okay, you can create unlimited page on it. There's one more feature also available, layers style. Layers styled interface you can use according, like if you are your user of Photoshop or Illustrator, so it's beneficial for you. There is assets also, you can use add also custom libraries. Some are premium and some are free. Okay, let's talk about the tools. Firstly, we have move tool. There is shortcut, only press, you can press V on your keyboard, then tools will be activated. Okay. You can move any element on your interface through this tool. Second, there is hand tool. You can drag your interface also from according to your requirements. There is one also scale tool also. You can easily scale up and scale down of any element. Okay, there is frame. If you click on frame tool, so there's many custom preset available for your, according to, you can choose according to your requirement. Okay, so let's iPhone 16 Pro. With the help of Alt, you can duplicate of your frame. Simply press Alt and drag your mouse. You can make unlimited screens on it. There's no limit. With the help of control and your scroll wheel, you can zoom in and zoom out of your screen. There is also a section available. You can make section of your screens also. If you want to export, let's some okay. If you want to export or any part of your design, so use slice tool and make a slice of it, and then go to export. Export. You can you can see here that export slice one. So your slicing part will be exported. This is an amazing tool for if you want any custom part of your design, so you can export anytime. Okay, in shapes tool, we have rectangle. You can curve your rectangle also. If you are user friendly with the Illustrator or Photoshop. So you use this before also. Line tool. If you select any tool, so there in side panel will show properties of that object or that tool. We will deeply we will teach you deeply in upcoming classes. This is only a overview class of introduction to Figma. I'm just guiding you about only overview of interfaces. We will teach you each tool in upcoming classes. Arrow tool for making flowcharts and all. We can make charts. Ellipse tool, and there is arc tool. This is useful for making infographics and making custom shape design. So this is very useful. There is polygon tool also. You can make increase corners with just dragging your cursor. Increase. You can also decrease back out. Star tool. You can increase nodes of your star also. Increase and decrease both. See, this is too simple, and you can make many dynamic, interesting designs with the help of these interesting shapes. Okay, you can also place image. Simply just click and select image. Simply just click on shape and it will mask. We will use each and every tool deeply in upcoming classes. Okay, there is also pen tool with smart guidance. It's too easy to make accessible. See, you can any custom shape with the help of this tool without any complex creation. There is one also adding new tool, pencil tool. You can use according to your requirement. You can change strokes also of your creation. There's text tool also. You can write anything and see there's all about every properties are available here. You can customize your text with these properties. And the second last is feedback tool. You can take and give feedback when you are working with your team or client also. Is action panel also is can see three things of plugins. You can browse plugins or installed assets and libraries. And one more thing, you can't use developer mode in your free plan. If you want to use, you have to switch to professional premium plan. Okay, that's all about Figma interface, and get ready for our upcoming classes on Figma. We will teach every tool of interfaces in upcoming sessions. So that's all about Figma interface. Thanks for watching.